I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of displaying over other apps on Shazam. You go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Shazam and you will click here in this page. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.